Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to cancel an order in Shopify. Firstly, from your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Orders in the left sidebar. You'll see a list of all orders placed in your store. Click on the order you wish to cancel. In the top right corner of the Order Details page, click on More Actions button. Select Cancel Order from the drop-down menu. A pop-up window will appear with the following options: refund payment, restock inventory, select the cancellation reason, and notify customer. After selecting the appropriate options, click the green Cancel Order button to finalize. After that, the order will appear strike through in your orders list. The order status updated based on your refund settings, and on the customer's end, the order page will show order has been cancelled. Refunds are permanent. Just double check before confirming, and you can still issue partial refunds after cancellation if needed. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.